Hi dudes, welcome back to another video. If you are new here and you are into automotive content, please do consider subscribing to my channel. And then to you guys that are subscribed to my channel, thanks a lot for subscribing to my channel. I do appreciate it a lot. So yeah, if you are new here, what you guys can expect on my channel is I'm basically a car enthusiast, so there's nothing specific. What I usually do on my channel is try to build my own car as well as friends of mine's cars as well. Maybe go to a few hookups or to races. So yeah, that is something that you guys can expect on my channel. However, for today, what we do have planned is actually to do what I would say something that has not been done on my car actually. It is a full walk around on my car. It is also something that a lot of you guys have requested. So for today's video, we are going to do a full walk around, showing you guys all the parts, give you guys a little bit of a background story on my car specifically, background stories on where I received or got the parts, etc. And then also, just to make the video a little bit not boring, I'm going to do a small installation. I'm going to see how far I can get, and maybe I'll just do another one as well. So without further ado, let me just show you guys what I do have or what I do plan on installing today. So in a previous video, I actually showed you guys this already. This is a Sparco safety net. What I also do have here is a quick latch. So I actually do have a quick latch on my boot lid. However, this is a little bit of a smaller one. This is meant for more of a bumper, or for bumpers outside. So this would go on the side of the bumper, and then obviously you just press this off, and this will remain on the body, and then this will remain on the bumper, which means the bumper is then removable. What I am going to do, however, is I am going to try to mount this to my OEM bumper and not my EG6 bumper, because I actually want to try and see how well I can mount it, so that I have some, how can I say, some knowledge on how to mount it when I do fit it on the EG6 bumper. I also ordered more of these, so when I basically mount this on both bumpers, once the other one comes in, I can just mount it on the one that hasn't been mounted before. And then also, guys, moving forward, I also have this is more for a bike, I would say. So this is basically a gear selector display. To my knowledge, I understand that these are difficult to actually wire up. All these wires need to go to a certain gear, and then once you select the certain gear, it will then basically display on here. I am looking for someone that can assist me with this, so if you guys can assist me with mounting this or installing this, please let me know in the comment section, or maybe just DM me on Instagram. So how I am going to mount the safety net is I am going to use these luggage straps. So this is a bit of an off color. However, the reason why I actually went with this is because I do have a lot of blue accents in my car, as well as red. This one will be a little bit more visible, but this one will be basically on the roof lining, so you won't really see this one. I do plan on getting black ones in future, but this is just going to be a temporary installation in the meanwhile. So yeah, guys, that is basically what we do have planned for today. If I do have enough time, I will install the quick latches for the bumper, and then also, guys, for Christmas I received a pressure hose. It is a small one, but it does have the option of, I think, putting the shampoo in, which basically foams the whole car up. So this is actually the first pressure hose that I've actually owned. So I would like to actually share with you guys how it actually works, as well as just show you how well it actually washes the car as well. So yeah, the whole plan is basically to do a small little bit of an install, and then wash the whole car, and then give a full walk around on the car, showing you guys everything that has been fitted on the car over the years. I'll also maybe share with you guys what the future plans as well. So yeah, I hope you guys do enjoy this video. So let's get started. Okay guys, so this is also just a failed attempt of actually trying to dye the luggage straps. I went to build this warehouse and the salesman recommended I use cement dye because it only cost 20 rand. It was worth a try, but obviously you can see it wasn't working. I actually let it lay in here for 24 hours and it didn't do much. So in future I do plan on getting black luggage straps. I think a place like a bike store might have them. So yeah, that is what I'm going to do in future. This is a total waste however, but I do still have 2 of these luggage straps. And then also, just a disclaimer, in a previous video I actually had the luggage straps mounted, or the safety net mounted, but it wasn't actually the way I wanted it. So going forward I'm going to try to mount it a little bit better. I also don't have any roof lining, so that's perfect for me to actually mount it here. What I do plan on doing in future is making use of these 2 holes over here, and then maybe welding a plate, or how can I say, just a rod basically, so it can hang on there. That is something that I want to do in future. However, for now I'm just going to use the luggage straps and maybe hook them in certain areas over here. Not quite sure how I'm going to do with the door or the one that goes at the bottom over here. Okay guys, so this is a view of what it looks like in the cockpit. As you guys can see, the net isn't interfering with anything. Also, if I look in my side mirror, I can see straight through here. There's no interference really. And this is how I basically mounted it. I hooked it over there, and then I just stretches the strap and hooked it back over there as well. This part over here, I kind of wanted it a little higher, but if I bring this lower, then this is more visible. So with this being low, you can't really see it because of the visors as well. And then I just added these tie straps, it's heavy duty tie straps, because I'm not quite sure why there's no loop on this side over here. And then just a little bit of a downfall. Unfortunately, this kind of pushes the door out of here, but I can't see any other mounts besides maybe over there, which is plastic, can easily break. So let me just show you guys the whole setup of when I actually climb out of the car. So I simply just open the door, I kind of have to open it a little bit wide, and then as you guys can see over there, I just basically push this backwards, unhook it over there, and this simply comes loose, and I'm able then to get out of the car. Then this is what it looks like outside the car. Basically just I have to take this and then simply just hook it back over there. Then I just maybe just adjust it so that it looks a little bit better, and then simply just close the door. As you guys can see, I'm not going to throw the door really, I'm just going to close it as per normal. Okay, that was a failed attempt, but let's just say I close the door as per normal like that. You guys can see that there's not really a big struggle. I'll just do it one more time. So as you guys can see, there's not a big struggle. It simply closes. Unfortunately, this is one of the downfalls. Also, this net in general is, how can I say, a very controversial modification. Not a lot of people like it. However, I do like the whole track look, and I assume this is kind of functional. Let's say for example there is a collision, I literally won't be able to get out of the car, and I can easily basically unstrap them, and I can easily get out of the car if I need to as well. So yeah, this is a mod that I really like. It kind of gives the car a different look. It gives that more racy feel. I was going to go with red or blue, but I felt like when I do bold mods like this, I don't want it to actually stand out as much. So I went for something more subtle. As you guys can see, there's a blue Sparco, and a lot of the parts of my car, or the color scheme, is actually white and blue and red. So that is all. It's basically my color scheme. I just use mainly the blue because Spoon uses blue as well, and as you guys can see, the Nissan logo also has blue in it as well. So that is basically the color scheme. In future, I do plan on changing a whole lot to the car. I'm not going to say a lot about that, but that is something that I am going to change, or the color scheme might just change in future. So yeah guys, this is basically what the safety net looks like. I'm just going to pull away the bucky so I can pull the car to the back and then give the car a wash. Okay guys, I kind of have everything set up. I just put some plastic over here in case the intake actually gets wet. This is a long run, so it's actually not really needed, but I just put it on anyway. And then we have the power over here, and then we also have the machine. I'm not really familiar with this brand, so if you guys do know anything about this brand, please mention something in the comment section. This is also the box that it came in. This is all the features it kind of has. This was a Christmas gift, so I'm very thankful. So we're just going to see what this machine is capable of, and then I also see that it has this option over here of putting the foam or the shampoo in to create foam. So we're going to try that out as well, but first of all we're just going to rinse the car off. Okay guys, so I managed to wash the car. This is what the car looks like without any polish on, without any tire mark on, or without any silicone or anything on. The reason why I actually did not add any silicone or anything on, because the car is basically just going to go into storage for the next few months, I would say. Maybe just work on the car, etc. but it is December. I am going to go on vacation, so the car will basically stand for some time. What I am also going to do is I am going to do the whole walk around on the car video separately, because while filming that I saw that the video actually ended up being 20 minutes. So this video will most likely just be about installing the safety net as well as the new pressure hose. Just a little bit of a review on the pressure hose. It works very well, I would say. One thing I picked up is that this didn't create much foam. Maybe you guys can just mention in the comment section, how do you actually make use of this? Do you shake it, or do you use a certain product? So I kind of couldn't figure out why it wasn't foaming up so much. However, I would say this is a very good product. It's nice and sleek and small, easy to use. So yeah, this is basically going to be the end of this video. Let me just show you guys what we did do today. This is the safety net, and like I mentioned earlier on, it basically just goes on like that, and then it basically mounts just like that. Hey guys, so like I was saying, I am actually very happy with the outcome. However, this is going to be temporary. I might just add some rods on each side over here so that it's much more secure, and maybe a rod going across here. If you guys do like the whole look, please give this video a thumbs up. And then also guys, okay guys, so I kind of ran out of space, but yeah, I was basically just about to create a conclusion to this whole video. So yeah, if you are watching this, thanks a lot for making it to the end of this video. I do apologize for not being able to actually fit the quick latches or adding the whole walk around video on this video. I have to make it a separate video because that video is going to be way too long. This whole video will then maybe end up being an hour. So yeah, what I was going to say is also I have a little bit of a surprise for you guys that are staying till the end. So my sisters recently just bought a property. It's like an estate or a ranch on an estate type of vibe. Anyway, what I'm trying to get at is the place that they bought. It's large. It's an extremely big plot, I would say, and you can basically fit a lot of cars on the property. So as you guys know, my garage only fits three cars. So that was also a reason for not actually having another car. But what I am trying to get at is there is a new car coming to the channel. It's not something extravagant, guys. It's not anything special, I would say. However, it is a daily, and I will be creating some content on the car. The car is a little bit rough, and the car will basically be based on a budget. So it will kind of be my budget build, but it's also my daily commuter or daily driver. So yeah, that is what's upcoming to the channel. I'll elaborate a little bit more in the new year as well. So I am going to end of the video here. I think this video might be after New Year. So yeah, Happy New Year's to you and your family. Please be safe, guys. Hope you enjoy your New Year's Eve, and I hope you guys did enjoy this video. I also hope to see you guys in the next one. Peace.